we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
G major, or the key of G, is a major scale based on G, with the pitches G, A, B, C, D, E, and F sharp. Its key signature has 1 sharp, F sharp. Its relative minor is E minor and its parallel minor is G minor.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.